Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for you, the best pocket knife you can find on the market. Whether it's for yourself or a gift for a loved one, this pocket knife multi-tool has got you covered. Let's dive right in. Feast your eyes on this beauty, the Gifts for Women Her Wife, Christmas Stocking Stuffers, Pocket Knife Multi-Tool by Titoral. Not only is it a versatile tool, but it also makes for a fantastic gift for any occasion. Now, let's talk about what makes this pocket knife multi-tool stand out. This folding knife multi-tool is the perfect choice. Its stunning rose-red color symbolizes deep love, making it an ideal holiday gift for both men and women who enjoy camping, hunting, and the great outdoors. Unlike traditional multi-tools designed primarily for men, this one caters to the needs of women. It's compact, portable, and can serve as a self-defense emergency tool if needed. The Best Dad Ever engraving adds a personal touch. Despite its slim profile, this multi-tool packs a punch with 9 essential functions, including a knife with a safety lock, wire cutter, and regular plier, needle nose plier, bottle opener, can opener, slotted screwdriver, and different sized screwdriver bits. No more rummaging around for the right screwdriver. This multi-tool comes with a 9-in-1 screwdriver set, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor activities like camping, fishing, hiking, hunting, cycling, and home repairs. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, you're in for a treat. The Gifts for Women Her Wife, Christmas Stocking Stuffers, Pocket Knife Multi-Tool by Titoral is priced at just $19.99. And here's a sweet deal. Apply a 20% coupon at checkout using the code DKYLAVB6. Looking for more options? Amazon Basics offers a 15-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool pocket knife for just $12.91. Please note that products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US, so check compatibility for international shipping. At Product Critique, we know your satisfaction is paramount. Rest assured, if this multi-tool doesn't meet your expectations, Titoral has your back. They're dedicated to ensuring you're happy with your purchase. In summary, the Gifts for Women Her Wife, Christmas Stocking Stuffers, Pocket Knife Multi-Tool is the perfect blend of style and functionality. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking for a thoughtful gift, this multi-tool has you covered. So, don't wait. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic multi-tool today. That's all for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy multi-tool shopping!